Are your Realtek Audio Driver apps crashing due to the rtvcvfw64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare to resolve rtvcvfw64, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the rtvcvfw64, the 64-bit version of a specialized Video for Windows VFW codec, often part of legacy video capture hardware suites. It manages the hardware-accelerated decompression of raw video streams. If missing, video editing tools will report that the codec is unavailable or will display a black screen for imported media. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. rtvcvfw64 is required for Realtek Audio Driver to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Realtek Audio Driver will repair missing or broken application files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the rtvcvfw64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please use caution. Replacing rtvcvfw64.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to rtvcvfw64. To support our technical team and receive updates on rtvcvfw64 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.